Chipotles. Here's what I want to tell you. Even if you're sensitive to heat, don't eliminate it. Trust me on this, okay? If you're really sensitive, at least 2 teaspoons. If you're thinking, oh, I'm the average person or whatever, go 4 teaspoons. If you like things spicy, then go 6 teaspoons. We're going to get into this, show you how to do this, okay? So anytime there's a can with a pull top on there, never put your finger inside the can because the sides are razor sharp. You're going to cut yourself, I guarantee you. So grab a fork or something that you can pull these chipotle peppers out the can. Every time you have a can of these, a couple of things I want to tell you about. They're always packed in adobo sauce. You don't need to worry about that. All that means is that sauce that's in there tastes like the chipotle pepper. So you have more flavor you can combine into a recipe or something. The other thing I want to tell you about is a chipotle pepper is a smoked jalapeno. So they just change the name of it. Once a jalapeno pepper is smoked, they change the name of it to a chipotle. So you'll never find, for example, fresh chipotle peppers at the grocery store. They don't exist. In a small can like this, you will get approximately 6 or 8 chipotle peppers, and they'll range in size from very small to large. So that's why I don't have in the recipe, just add 1 chipotle pepper or something, because that's not a definitive measurement, and you may find it too hot, too mild, whatever. Look at the size of this one. So I have a little baby one, a mama one, and a papa one here. Take 2 or 3 out. Mince them, get a teaspoon measure standing by so that you can measure how much you want. I do want you to measure this. I'm going to go with like 4 to 5, not 45, 4 to 5 teaspoons worth. We'll see how it is, but even up to 6, sure, why not? This is a nice smoky complex heat. It's not just extremely hot, but it does have some kick to it. So measure them carefully. If you want to add a little bit more, but you don't want to cut up another one, all you do is just dip in there and grab some of that adobo sauce and just put another teaspoon of that in there. It's going to be just as hot as the peppers, trust me, because it's all packaged together. Once you're done with this can, don't put it in the back of your fridge. You're going to forget about it. It's going to grow a sweater. You're going to throw it out. You're going to be wasting your money. Take a little Ziploc sandwich bag, put these peppers in there, even with the sauce, and then on your board or your countertop, just lay the bag flat after you sealed it and just use your fingers to separate the peppers in there and throw in your freezer. And anytime you need a chipotle pepper, you just pull one out of the bag frozen, put the other ones back in the freezer, and you can use in your recipes, anything, okay? It's just so handy to have them on hand whenever you want to add just a little bit of complex heat to whatever you're making, okay?